Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 5:45 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over McHenry, or 20 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, east central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McHenry, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grandwood Park, Wakonda, McCullum Lake, Lake Villa, Old Mill Creek, Gages Lake, Fox Lake Hills, Fox Lake, Mundelein, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Round Lake Beach, Lake Mirror, Johnsburg, Ringwood, Haynesville, Pistakee Highlands, Grave Lake, Island Lake, Round Lake Park, Wonder Lake, Round Lake Heights, Antioch, Prairie Grove, and Libertyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago